Hey, what's happening? I'm just out in the workshop. Thought I'd make a quick teaser-like video because I'm working on the BPE Heads, and I just wanted to say it's probably going to be a bit before I post anything about them because I want to finish them up before that. So I may make some other videos, probably. We'll see. It's summer, so I got other things going on. I got some home projects I want to do. And it's just, it's going to take a little bit of time to get them done. I want to do them right. I don't exactly have, all the free time in the world. So check back later, and, I'll have something up eventually. They're going to get done. Meanwhile, here's a quick update on the regulator and such. I really like having the blowgun here, but as you can see, I just kind of pulled out over here. I got to figure out some way to hook it. I don't want to put like an actual hook because I'll be brushing against the table and catch myself on it and tear my pocket out or something stupid. So I don't know what I'm going to exactly do, because if I just let it go, it goes down there, and I got to reach for it because I'm sitting over here. Whoops, bumping into my chair. So I got to reach over here, grab it over there, and it's kind of awkward when you're sitting. You sit back a little from the head. So, it's really nice having the separate blowgun, but I got to figure out the mounting thing. The new 1/4 inch line, I really like it. I mean, it's just, for when you're in a tight area trying to see and hold the tool, it's nice to have that little bit of extra, lighter flexibility. It just, it works. I'm glad I made that change. Wish I would have done it a long time ago. I've also been using this paraffin wax instead of like I was using soap, just to lubricate the aluminum burr some. I think it helps a little. I mean, you definitely can't smell it like the soap, so I mean, it's user preference, I guess, but it is what it is. I was considering maybe putting the regulator all the way over here on my left, because then I could hang the blowgun over there, but I don't know. I mean, right now it reaches to the bench. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to get a longer line so I can reach all the way from over there to there. So, anyways, that's that. This is the OG head. That's actually a 2.0 head. And I filmed some about, I think working on maybe both last summer. I don't know. But like I said, I think I'm going to hold up posting anything about the BPE Heads in general until I'm done. I mean, I just want to, make it maybe like part 1, part 2, and so on. So, for now, check back later. I'm going to get to work. Peace out.